Hello, my name is Victor. I'm with Dictation 1. I'm doing this video to explain and help understanding the transition between analog dictation and digital dictation and give you a better understanding what's available to see the latest and the greatest that's available today.
Before we now have a look on the new Pocket Memo, let's get back to reality. Every day in your law firm, you have an awful lot of work to do. In order to record a dictation, you grab a file, take a tape, put it in your old Pocket Memo, and start your recording. Once finalized, you take it out of the recorder, put it back, attach it to the file, but wait, you have to assign a priority. You do that with a post-it sticker. And then you wait for your secretary to hopefully grab the file. How does that all look in the modern and new law firm? You take a file, take your new Pocket Memo, and once you have finished your recording, you double press for high priority, put it back in the cradle, and at that very second, the dictation is ready for transcription at your secretary's work desk. And now let's transcriptionist workstation. It looks like your email program. On the left side you have a simple folder structure, and on the right side every dictation has its own line.
I will show you what's available and what we have now. Philips SpeechLive is now the cloud workflow solution, which it does not require any server and any support or IT infrastructure. Everything is saved in the cloud. The authors can continue using handheld recording devices just like they use the tapes and dictate and have it connected to the computer to download the dictations, or microphone which is connected to the computer through USB or the wireless ones to do a dictation directly to the computer and have it automatically available instantly in the cloud. Now the system will get a email notification every 50 minutes that there's a new dictation. You can turn it on or off if they need it. If they're logged into the system, they get the pop-up notification. So let me show you how the workflow works. The first thing is on the computer it needs to be set up for the authors, the Philips SpeechLive, which I will open up. So this is the Philips SpeechLive Windows app, and it works also on a Mac. So this is the Philips SpeechLive. Once you log in, I was automatically logged in because I have it saved, and it's also set up to automatically start with the computer. So this is how the application looks like. This is the window. I'll log in now. Since my user has two licenses, one is for the author, one for the typist, we'll log in as an author for now. So this is a small application on the computer. So whenever I'm doing a new dictation, I just dock it to the computer and it automatically loads up. I'm doing now a new dictation and I'm loading it up onto SpeechLive. You want to see how the files loads up to the workflow for the assistant per new paragraph. So I'm plugging it in now to the computer. As soon as I plug it in, you will get the notification that the device has been plugged in. You will see the notification that the dictation has been uploaded. I'm doing now another dictation, and this is my second dictation. I want to mark it as priority so you can see how it comes up to the workflow for the assistant, period, new paragraph, my signature. So once I plug it in, it uploads the dictations. Now the dictation is uploaded successful. We get a notification that it was uploaded. I'm doing now one more dictation just to show you that we can find everything in the workflow. Dear Jamie, new paragraph. This letter is to notify you that we have received all the documents for the hearing from September 25, 2025, and I prepared the schedule. As soon as I complete reviewing it, I will need approximately 3 to 4 business days to be available to set up a new meeting regarding the documents per new paragraph. Yours truly, semicolon, new line, Victor Green. I'm sending this dictation to the workflow, and now I'm connecting it, putting it into my docking station. Now let me show you how the workflow looks like and how the assistant gets those notifications. So this is the login to the web browser. As you can see here, the dictations came in. You see high priority, low priority, those dictations are available. Now let me just part as well. As you can see here, it does show that I have connected the foot control. The settings can be customized. Which button should do the play and pause, stop, rewind. So I have for the 20T theater, which has 4 foot pedals, there's an option to use the one with 3 foot pedals. You can save the setting. There's an option to have the pop-out player, which is a smaller window, so you can have the full screen for typing, and everything's being controlled with the foot control. We'll do a separate video how the transcriber works with it. I just want to make sure for the authors to see how they can work with existing standard handheld digital recorders and still be able to send it into the workflow, and there's no matter where the author is located or where the transcriber is located. It can be in different locations, and the same thing is there's no network setup that needs to be set up or any IT infrastructure. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to call us at 1-929-575-4500 or visit our website at www.dictation1.com. So please look out for our other videos, which includes additional workflow options like speech recognition and using a mobile smartphone app.